is your tech style, not textile, tech style. Your tech philosophy. I'm looking at tech style also from the standpoint of how you approach things and your personality. So there's the KISS style, which stands for keep it super simple. All right, so I'm not saying keep it simple, stupid. Keep it super simple. You have to remember you're starting out, and you can add and integrate other tools with Kajabi down the line when you want to expand. So people are, well, I can't do that. Well, do you even need to do that at your stage of business? So keep it super simple is really focused at you're getting started, you are generating revenue, you are starting with a beta group, whether it's a membership or a course, and you're getting things done. You've got your website set up, you've got your blog set up, you have landing pages, you have the email marketing, and you have the ability to deliver your membership content. Then there's the DIYer. Now, the DIYer is close to the next tech style, but a little different. You like to get your hands dirty. The idea of putting puzzle pieces together and figuring things out, you like doing that. Sometimes it's like, okay, I'm already comfortable with ConvertKit. I've already got my website set up. I need the middle part. I need the launch part. I need the ability to have my content delivered behind a paywall. I'm comfortable figuring out how to connect these tools. Now, there's some of you that are what I call the designer, and it is all about your branding and the aesthetic of the impression you want to make. And I see this, of course, a lot for people that are in graphic design, people that are photographers. The visual elements are super, super important. And many times people with this type of personality are not really satisfied with what they can do with a DIY or a Kajabi, for example, because they are much more creative. Now, a designer might be better off, and again, if the designer has some DIY characteristics and they have the time and budget, or the time, they may be better off with a WordPress site. If they know how to use WordPress and they have a vision of what they want to create, or they have the budget to be able to pay somebody to take their creative vision and implement it in a WordPress site, it works best for them. Now, this type of personality also may not care for the Kajabi email because it doesn't have pretty templates, although it really does have some nice templates that you can use, but they're focused more on creating a much more visual look. Then they might be going more towards a ConvertKit or an ActiveCampaign that has much more, a more variety of a template, for example. So I'm hoping that this kind of framework makes sense. And maybe you're seeing yourself in one of these